As we promised in our latest Manson video, we would keep you updated on the health condition of Charles Manson, so here is the latest news. New pictures of Charles Manson taken last Sunday gives us the first glimpse of Manson since he was removed from the Carolina prison and rushed to a hospital emergency room on January 3rd, as he was suffering from intestinal bleeding. At the time, Manson was reported seriously ill, so the doctors found it too risky making surgery to him. Manson was taken back to prison on January 7th. In the new pictures, Manson, now 82 years old, makes his signature stare into the camera. His skin is still a bit pale and ghost-like. Manson is touching the tattooed hand of one of his followers. The second picture shows Manson with his arms crossed over his chest. He is wearing his blue prison fatigues, a bandana around his neck, and sunglasses. His friend, known by the nickname Black Wolf, paid Manson a visit and could tell that Charles appeared in high spirit and stronger. A source has told the New York Post that Charles Manson has been eating healthy since his health scare. Normally, Manson would have chosen peanut butter cups from the vending machine, but Manson chose to eat an avocado from the food vendor instead. If you missed out on the other Manson video, we will leave a link for it in the description. And as always, you will find the link or links that inspired us for making our videos in the description. Don't miss out on any crime news. Follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and don't forget to slap that follow button and click the bell. Then you will be updated when we have news for you.